Hey guys, today I will show you how to fix cracking or buzzing sounds coming from your speakers. This should work in most cases. So what you want to do is you want to right click here, and then you go, that's the speakers by the way, then you want to go playback devices, then you want to find high definition or Realtek or yeah, it should be high definition usually. You just right click it and then properties and then enhancements, and you want to check disable all enhancements, and yes, then apply, then okay, and that should fix the problem in most cases. Thank you for watching, hope it helped. Bye.